We are sorry to interrupt your program on YouTube. At this time, we are bringing you a message of the YouTube emergency alert system. This is not a test. Important details will follow. The YouTube team has issued a Warner Music Group copyright alert for the entire YouTube community until further notice. The Warner Music Group is capable of muting or deleting videos that may contain their content in them, and could get you suspended. If your video has been muted or deleted, please either make a rant video or make a comment on their channel against them. This concludes this activation of the emergency alert system on YouTube.